Welcome back everyone, Don here. Got my Toro TimeCutter here, recently purchased. I've mowed the lawn once, but before I mow again, I want to put my hour meter on. This machine doesn't come with an hour meter, but it does come with the wiring. I got this on online for 18 bucks. This one doesn't have any wiring with it. It does have the head unit itself. It's all sealed up, looks like a solid state kind of a setup. It's supposed to be weatherproof. There are a couple connectors in here. I don't think I'll need those, and the instructions. Probably won't need those either. There's already a spot here. It's got some material. I just got to cut it out, and again, the wiring harness is already there, so I just got to unhook the plug from the wire harness and run it to the hole that I've got to make in the console here. So the hour meter is going to go right here. There's a spot for it already in the console. It's just covered by this sort of stuck on piece of material here. It's kind of plasticky, but I just got to cut the square out and pop the hour meter in. But before I do that, I'm going to get down here and unhook the wire. There's a cable down here. The cable's down here with the plug on it, and it looks like it's just taped to the wire harness, so it's tucked out of the way. I've got to get to that, loosen it up, get it up underneath here, and maybe poke it through the hole. So let's see how that goes. Here is the wire harness, and it looks like it's just wrapped with tape. If I unwrap it, here's the plug, and I just got to get this up through that hole, but first I've got to cut this plastic away. Got my X-Acto knife here, and I'm going to try to stay as tight to the edge as I can without making it look funky. See if I can make a nice job of this. The X-Acto knife made pretty quick work of that. There it is. And I'm just going to plug it in just like this. Beauty. Come on. Pretty tight fit, actually. That was not too difficult. I don't think it could have been much easier. Now to see if it works. So there it is, all installed. Looks like I'm good to go with that. If I turn the key on, it turns on, and the instructions say when the hourglass is flashing, then the timer is counting. So I guess the engine doesn't need to be running for it to start counting up. The key just needs to be on. So that's good. Good to know. That's also supposed to be waterproof too. So that's it, quick and painless. It's supposed to be waterproof as well. I hope it is. Not that I'll do too much mowing in the rain, but the only other thing I could have done is put some dielectric grease on the connectors. I may go back and do that. Probably won't be a bad thing, but I'm not overly concerned. Like I said, I don't do much mowing in the rain, and this thing doesn't stay outside at all. I just wanted to get it done before I use the mower much, to keep the count as accurate as I could. I've only mowed once, so I guess I'll call that an hour. It didn't take me an hour though. I'll put a picture of the box up so you can see what part I bought, what item I bought, in case you're trying to do the same thing to your time cutter. But that'll do it. I appreciate you hanging out. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time.